As we mentioned, select the New Step command. In the box that shows Choose an action, type Business Central and then select Business Central connector. Select Get Record Action. In the form that appears, keep production as environment name. In the company name, choose the company you selected in the trigger. In our example, this is Kronos Company. In the table name, choose the item table and in the row ID, select row ID from dynamic content. Select the Next Step command to add new action. In the box that shows Choose Control and select Condition. In the condition form that appears, choose number from dynamics content as this is an item number. We will use condition is equal to our item number from Business Central we want to use in this notification. The next step is the configuration of the condition action. First, you should configure if yes action, and it means what will happen if the response is equal to chosen item number. Select Add an action in if yes form. Again, choose Control and select Condition as we need to check if inventory is less from our minimum quantity. In condition form, choose an inventory from dynamic content and as the condition, choose is less than. As a minimum quantity, enter, for example, 3. Now, we need to configure if yes response. Select the Add an action in New if yes form. In the box that shows Search all connectors and actions, choose Office 365 Outlook connector and then select Send an email action. In the form that appears, type or paste your email address into two boxes, then select your name from the list of contacts that appears. In the subject box, type minimum quantity warning. Select the body box and then type text item and add token number from dynamic content, add display name token from dynamics content, and after that, text has quantity. Again, add token inventory from dynamic content to show current inventory of this item as well as the token base unit of measure. As you need action only for if yes condition, so you don't need to configure if no conditions. Click Save and go to My Flows list. Select your new flow and now you can test it. Currently, we don't have any run of this flow. Go to the Business Central sales orders and add the item we used in the flow to the sales line. I'll add quantity 4, as I know it will be enough for our example. Pause this sales document. Now, move back to our flow and refresh all runs. In one moment, it will show that status is running, and that means flow still didn't finish. When you refresh all runs again, you will see the status is succeeded. You can open this flow to see details of this flow run. But let's move to our Outlook to check our mailbox. You can see new email on the top. Yes! This is our notification email with all details we added in the flow configuration.